Telemedicine. Today we'll be doing a quick functional overview of the new features and the new features which we have released in our software. So this is the work being done in two sprints, and most of the work is towards the backend side, and then the visual fronts for the client. I'm just going to walk you through like what we have been doing in the past two sprints. So first major changes get as a doctor gets a much more detailed profile. So you see here, doctor can upload or remove his photograph now, and they get a full detailed profile, like it's their general overview. They can choose a location on the map and it will automatically put it into the address. About me, they can type in what they want to show to the customers or to the patients about themselves. So that's what they get on the billing on this side. The other thing is okay, that's what on the doctor's side here. Now we just switch over and see what patient got on their end on the visual front. So I'll just log in as a patient here. Okay, now a patient get a full lot of doctor's catalog here, so they can just go to doctor's catalog and search the doctor. So you'll see all the doctors here, and you can search a doctor by any name. Let's say Kirsch, and you can do a search and you will see all the doctors with Kirsch here. Name is with Kirsch, and then you can have a sorting view, like if you sort like low to high, like you can sort based on pricing mechanism. And then you have years of experience, which is like highest to lowest, and then you have some filters here where you actually want to put a price band or do a selection on gender, let's say male, and any based on specialization, like what's your specialization is, and then the address. So if you just do, let's say for example in our case, let's do with male, and you will see all the doctors coming in as male. And if you want to filter out, let's say now I just want to go with female doctors, and then you see here these are female as well. So that's what a doctor gets, a patient gets on in terms of the doctor's catalog. And once they are satisfied which doctor to go through, they can just click on book the appointment, and then these doctor selections and the specialization will be automatically filled. You just need to select the date and time, and you're ready to go. Alright, so this is another big change we got on the patient side, where they can see the doctor's catalog and play with that. And the other change is on the textile on the billing admin side. Let me show you that for a sec. Client admin. Okay, so I'm just logging as a client admin. Let's see here. Okay, now in earlier, if you remember, we didn't have the payment method. Okay, like for example, if the payment has been made, then what was the payment method which was a patient did. So you had the payment transaction number, a billing admin had the billing transaction number, but then it didn't have the payment, like how the payment has been method, what's a payment method. Now we have added this column. Unfortunately there is no data here, but let's say if I'm using M-Pesa or credit card or debit card, so you'll see those coming in here. So pretty much that's it. Apart from that, we have been working heavily on our backend side to improve the code, to improve the whole of our architecture and all those kind of stuff. So stay tuned for the further releases and new exciting features lined up for this product. Thank you. Thanks for your time.